Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome. Okay, today we are having smoothies. I'm using dillies, sapodillas. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have 4 dillies. 2 are super soft and the other 2 are not so, they're not ready. So I'm just peeling the skin off and just taking out the seeds before adding them to the blender. These are super sweet. So this is all that were left of our purchase from last week. These are sweet. I don't know if I'm going to need any sugar for this smoothie. Okay, just taking them off just like that. I had these 2 in the refrigerator because I didn't want them to go sour. So I decided to make the smoothie with them. Okay, just like that. The seeds are out. This one is simple. So continue watching. I started the blender off with a half cup of water to help the dillies out, and I allowed it to pulse for about 30 seconds before adding the ice. And now it is really moving. This is a Bahamian thing. Now, if you want to jazz it up a little bit with some alcohol, feel free. The choice is yours. This is extremely refreshing. God bless you. For watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment, invite someone, tell them about Melda 242. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.